Lepe Temple friends and family, what's up? It's me, Voltaire Lepe. This is my weekly update in real estate. It's been an awesome past week. The highlight was last night we did our second workshop for the kids, financial literacy. We went over goal setting and establishing a vision for your life, which was really cool. Kids were super involved. So this past weekend, I went on a couple of very long walks with Lola. I even ran across David Goggins. If you know who he is, he has a great book. You guys should definitely read it. Went to a Juneteenth event, went down to a convention center, volunteered a bit. So it was a good weekend. And then throughout the week, we handed out a bunch of keys to different buyers, new homeowners. So that felt amazing. I worked very hard this week, so I feel really good. It's almost like going to a gym when you have a really good workout, and afterwards, like during the workout, you're like hating it, but afterwards, you're like happy you did it. I went to a gym, speaking of gym, 3 times this week, and even played some basketball, so I feel really good. My body feels good. I attended my first networking event yesterday, actually, industry event. So it was actually pretty cool to see, a bunch of old faces. Not literally, they're a little younger, but some buddies and everything. So it was cool hanging out. And then my weekend plans. I'm gonna go to a golf event today, charity event for the Logan Heights CDC. Support them. Going to volunteer tomorrow at the convention center. Gonna play some hoops in the morning first, and I'm gonna try to squeeze in some reading. So that's my week in real estate. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.